Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about 10 stocks which we can invest right now. Since the market corrected, we'll be going through that stocks, as well as in the last video 5 months before I have given some nifty levels where you can expect the nifty to reach. I have shown that levels right now. It is from that previous video only, and in that whatever levels I have shown right now, Nifty is near to the second level 15,840 to that level which I have shown in that last video. And further, if there is any big fall, that is will be going to this 14,513. So mostly that time I have shown this level and this level, two levels almost reached, Nifty reached, and then the third level will be 14,513 if there is any big fall happening. And in that video I have mentioned that the probability of these first two levels are very high, and later the probability is low. Still we cannot neglect that levels also. So we should be prepared for these many levels, 1 2 3 4 levels we have to be prepared, and we should have our capital till that levels, and we will be spending our whatever investable amount is there, we'll be spending based on this level. You can have your other strategies also. For every 1000 level you can accumulate more, like that also you can plan. This is my plan and I will be following these levels. So further we'll be discussing the 10 stocks which we can accumulate during this fall. This is the first stock which we have planned to accumulate, that is Debug Nitrates. The current price is 1983 and current P is 25.4 and debt to equity is negligible. I have selected all the stocks having good ROCE, ROE and less PE, and there are some exceptions also, but the overall the fundamentals of all these 10 stocks are very good. So the Debug Nitrate is a very good stock, and the profit growth 5 years CAGR is 87 and percentage, and the 5 years stock price CAGR is 68 percentage. So definitely this is a multi-bagger, and if you are getting at a cheaper price levels, you can accumulate more. And then next stock is Muthoot Finance, and this is in the financing level category, so the debt to equity will be high, but since it's part of their business, we should not be worrying about that much in that. But the ROC and 15 is 15.8 percentage and ROE is 27.8, and if you see the profit growth 5 years 36 percentage CAGR, and the stock price 5 years CAGR is 23 percentage. So that is very good stock, and you will be creating more wealth by investing in this stock. And then next one is coming HUL. Last 3-4 months it is in the correction mode only, and it is corrected a lot, and you can start accumulating this stock also. And the debt equity is negligible, and a good ROC and ROE is there, and it's a consistent performer and a good multinational company. You can accumulate this one. And then Polyplex is the next one. It is a good wealth creator, and for the profit 5 years profit growth is 78 percentage, and the stock price CAGR 5 years is 38 percentage. So this is also very good stock, and you can do much more analysis about these stocks. Whatever stocks I am giving, in these videos are fundamentally strong stocks, and have huge potential to generate more wealth in coming years. But the thing is that for that time period, near immediate time period, there will be further correction. We can expect further correction also, so you should be prepared for that, and don't expect the Nifty to come back and the stocks perform within a short period. At least your horizon should be 2-3 years, and we don't know what is coming ahead. There is a concern of inflation, but uncertainty is the good time for accumulating more stocks. So you should be prepared, but the thing is that you should not be deploying the money which you required in immediate future. That should not be the way to invest right now. The next is Happiest Minds, that is a technology stock, and the P is a little bit high, but the thing is that it is having good ROC and ROE, and the profit growth 5 years is 112%. So this is a very good wealth generator. We don't have the data for stock price 5 years CAGR because it is recently only it got listed in the stock exchange. Then Apollo Tricode, this also having good ROCE and ROE 44.7 and 37.3, and profit growth 5 years is 150%, and the stock price 5 years CAGR is 74%. So this is also good stock to accumulate. Then Avantel, this is working in defense category. This is a good stock to accumulate, and the ROC and ROE are decent, and the good profit growth for 5 years 86%, and the stock price 5 years CAGR is 39%. Still the stock is available at 23.1 PE, so this is a very good stock to accumulate. Then Indoborax, the PE is 11, the PE is 11.1, and debt to equity is 0, and the stock price 5 years CAGR is 34% annual. That is a very good performance by this stock. The next one is Cdsl. This is corrected 1089 level current price, and the PE is 36.6, and a good technology stock, and there will not be any immediate threat to the business of this company, and a good profit growth 5 years is 29%. We don't have the data for 5 years stock price CAGR because it recently only it got listed, but still the company is very fundamentally good, and good business is there, and business growth is also very good. And the final is IEX. This is an Indian energy exchange. This is a good stock to accumulate. If you are betting on the future of India, there will be lots of energy requirement, and the exchange will be one of the basic business model, and it is a good fundamentally strong business model, and the ROC is very good 64.5, and the ROE is 49.5. So that is the very good ROC and ROE, and profit growth 5 years is 25% annual. Then so the business wise and fundamental wise the company is very strong, and we don't have the data for 5 years CAGR because it is recently only got listed. We don't have data for 5 years, but if you can see all these stocks are fundamentally strong stocks, and if you invest in these stocks, definitely over the long term you will be getting good return for your investment. You can do your own analysis. I am just giving you some information. You can do your own analysis and then decide where to invest, and this is a guidance for you. Do your own analysis and invest as per your wish. Don't go by my own words. You have to be perfect with your analysis before investing in any stocks. Thank you for watching Synergy Investment Academy. If you found the video is useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.